Welcome back. I'm just going to get right to it. Last time I mentioned that the nursery rhyme today has the word rain in it. Here's the picture. Have you figured it out yet? Let me play a song to help you. Here are the words. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. How would you describe the weather in this nursery rhyme? Now, you might say it's raining, but think about it more. What else could you say to describe the weather? Is it raining a little bit? They use the word pouring. Do you know what that means? That means it is raining a lot. Lots and lots of rain coming down. So it's not just a little bit of rain, it's pouring. A character is who the story is about. So who's the character in this nursery rhyme? The old man. What's the old man doing? You could say he went to bed. You could say he bumped his head. You could say he was still sleeping in the morning. Could the events in this nursery rhyme really happen? Could what it says in the nursery rhyme happen for real? Let's think. Could there be an old man? Yeah. Could an old man be sleeping? Could it be raining? Those are all things that could happen in real life. If you're near someone or someone's watching this with you, why don't you turn to them and tell them what you like to do when it's pouring outside? I'm going to zoom in on the two words at the end of these two lines. The first word at the top says pouring. The word underneath that says snoring. What do you notice about these two words? Pouring, snoring. If you said that they rhyme, you're right. Pouring, snoring. Rhyming words have the same ending sounds. Do you see the last letters of each of these words? They both end in the same three letters. If I think of the words pouring and snoring, it's hard for me right now to think of another word that rhymes with pouring and snoring. So that means I'll have to make up a nonsense word. A nonsense word is just a word that doesn't really make sense. Pouring, snoring, voring. Pouring, snoring, voring. They all rhyme. Pouring, snoring, voring, loring. Pouring, snoring, voring, loring, dooring. Those are all rhyming words. Next video, the nursery rhyme has the word jack in it. So think about it. Jack. I wonder what it could be. You'll find out.